Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I think I'll be playing Phantom Forces.
What is that?
Phantom Forces. Now if you'll notice that's open, I'm using time. That's because I put the timer on because I want to know when video ends and I don't want to overuse my time. Because I don't want to get in trouble. Now, all I can think of about right now is the time when I last played this. Is like every time I took a shot with my my newest gun from that one. Okay, so I earned that like on my last recording of a video, but I didn't get it yet. So now, here, let me show you. Yes, Remington 870. This shotgun. Every time I shot it, I would say shotgun really loud. It was like so fun. Actually, I think I'm going to be assault right now. I just can't help but hum that song. Beep 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 beep. Enemies, enemy. Ah! I was shot-head. I wish I had my passive. Deploy on this dude. Actually, we are blue. Time to take over Flare. And now I'm going to jump into a pool. Of course. Bang, 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 bang. Dang it. The only reason I really use that weapon, my shotgun, the little gun, this gun, the only reason I use it is because it's faster. Oh, come. Oh, I thought that was some bad guy. What? This game? You're trying to, like... There's Flare Domination, Capture the Hill, and Team Deathmatch.
So, you're basically going around killing people?
Yeah.
Can you please play something else?
Yeah, okay. Now, I will be here, and I will be back in a moment when I find out what game I'm going to play. Bye. Okay, so I found a game, but actually, I'm going to find a different server. Because it's like certain servers have like the game just started there. Yay! No, let us in.
Yeah, it just... What is that?
I think I might be able to.
Crates. I think you have crates.
I don't have any crates.
How do you get crates? Buy them.
Power-ups. How much research? I don't have enough research.
How do you get research?
Lab crate. Done. Woo, wee, wee, wee.
I don't know where you're proud of.
Ah! That dude trapped me. I will wear my crown of thorns.
Still.
Yes.
After you're done, I want to make my video.
That is too creepy. You know what? I'm just like done. That'll be it. Aw, sad cloud. It's a sad cloud. Lab experiment.
It's like
You have to live on the circle. You have to live. Okay, so you have a plate and you need to live on that plate for as long as Whee! You die. Bang.
There's one time I did the ball thing, I landed on someone's platform
And
guess
then
what
they
did?
kicked you off.
Yeah, they kicked me off.
They legit just
Slashy dance, slashy dance.
ah.
Yeah, they just walk into you and then you fall off.
2 plates will start a forest fire. Why? Who would do that? Fire. Okay. You know what? Yeah, that's how to dance. I'm just going to dancing.
How do you get a marble? Marbles just fall out of
Ground and you just like push them around and stuff.
Ooh, you got polka dot trail.
Whee! No, I actually got a circle trail. I actually think that I'm going to run out of time before I can play. Pause making the video. Yeah, pause making the video, and then you can have enough time. Did you lock your screen? What?
Boy.
No.
And
Oh, okay. Well, you can I hate pause lock the video. Screen. Yeah, I think I'll do this. Do that for a bit. Or at least until this time. Yeah. Okay, so what happened was like almost as soon as I paused the video, the game ended. No, just
David.
you're happy.
yes, everyone is forced to have a smiley face on unless you get a different face and like a.
There's one person I saw who had
Nice
a
sparkles.
creepy face with the red eyes.
3, 2, 1, yay! Wait, no! Pew 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 zap!
Oh, you can see your plate's actually bigger than yours.
Yeah, okay, so we starting with randomly sized plates. Oh, no, my plate was shrunk. Now both of our plates are the exact same size. I wonder if that will be me.
What?
I did not listen to too many 70 songs. David, ah!
Sorry.
70 songs.
Who played? What a...
I thought I found him. Oh, there he is! Okay, my plate will become... Maybe my plate will become invisible. Good. My plate did not become invisible.
Oh, that guy's plate is invisible. Look behind you.
His plate is invisible.
Okay.
That
jump.
plate is gone because the person that for that one died.
Oh, where's the medical tile?
That guy just
Where's the
fell
medical
down.
tile? Oh no, you can't get to it. Oh. You can't get
What will
to
happen
it.
to my plate? Okay, now just 2 plates will
Double
receive
events.
double events.
What's that fiery thing? No. Good thing yours wasn't memorized.
Yes. Oh, great. Ah! Oops. Well, there goes that person too. Whee! They fall, they die.
Yes.
Fun.
Good job.
So much fun. Whee! No!
Good.
My only chance of being in the game is landing
How
on
about
a
you
plate.
pause it until you get into the next game?
No! I won't be doing that. But yeah, well, not quite purposefully, but I jumped onto a plate.
You intentionally jumped onto a different plate
But I fell, but I did not mean to, and fell.
and died like that. Okay, pause your time.
No.
No, pause the video making.
Ah!
Pause the video making time. Pause the video making time. And you can get them in the next game.
Whoa! Bang.
Spaghetti.
My,
I asked you.
I thought she was holding my spaghetti. I thought you was holding my spaghetti. Where are those noodles?
What did you do with them? Are they burning on the stove, Tim?
No. My noodle, my spaghetti is somewhere else's.
There's spaghetti on the table.
That my spaghetti. No. It's my spaghetti.
The spaghetti sauce is in the fridge if you like to make some in the noodles, so I have our next to the spice cabbage.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. No, I want a plate. Arg. There's only so many people left.
Okay, bye guys.
That's a lot of people
Yes, my love.
on one plate.
Yes, my love.
Whoa!
Tim, is that your spaghetti on the table?
Yes, I would like it.
Roll towards him.
I can't roll.
Look.
I made it on. No!
Yeah.
Why?
Mommy, can I use time?
That was supposed to be Y. Just really long and WAI. Whee! Dead.
No.
Now let's go jump in another ball. Bing, 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 beep, 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 beep.
Bye guys. Look at your video time.
Oh, guys, Please like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.